Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is the end of the day. I wanted to see if I could do like a makeup inventory. So right now I got like all my eye pencils in front of me. So let's get started with my makeup inventory and what I like to get down to. So yeah, let's continue. So right now I have 48 eyeliners. And they're mostly colored eyeliners. I would like to get it down to 5 in the future. But right now I just want to use up what I have and get through it. This is in my project pan. This is Color Mates. The label is off, but this is what I'm working on so far. So I have 48 eyeliners. I currently have 9 jumbo eyeshadows. I'm using this as one. So currently I have 9 and I'm trying to use these up in my project pan. So yep, I would like to go down to 2, at least 2 of these jumbo eyeshadows. I have 4 lip pencils. My goal is to have 1 lip pencil. I have 43 lippies. I would like to get down to at least 5 lippies. I have liquid lipsticks, lip gloss, bullet lipsticks, a bunch of BB cream, baby lips, lip oils, all that good stuff. So I would like to get down at least 5. I have 5 concealers. I am working on this in my project pan. And I'm trying to work this out as well. And of course this one is going pretty good. So I would have my goal around 2 concealers. So yeah, I have 6 foundations. My goal is about 2 to 1 foundations. They are like the slowest things to get through for me. So right now I'm working on Rimmel and Smashbox, and I marry these 2 together and they perform really good together. I currently have 6 mascaras opened. I know I have more, but these are like the ones that are out, and I will show you the other stuff that is brand new in a different video. Currently these are all open. I have 6 here. This is a mascara primer. Sorry if this video is out of order, but I just wanted to make a quick inventory video. So these are currently open. I'm really enjoying this Tarte Maneater, this under my eyes, Thrive Cosmetics. I like this Lancome primer, and the most hated mascara is the Buxom. I really hate this mascara, so I might declutter this in like a different video. But that is all that is open and using currently. I have 9 primers. This is my favorite primer out of all these so far, and I'm currently using the Elizabeth Mott. I use this as a topper of a primer. It's luminizing strobe cream, and this is in my project pan. So currently using those 3 to get out of the way so I can, and I'm using the Honest Beauty as well. It's down to here, so I'm excited to get this done. This is my least favorite. So yeah, single eyeshadows and eyeshadow creams. These are my collection. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 single eyeshadows, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eyeshadow creams. I would like to get down at least 2 to 1 of these and 1 of these. Currently have 15 highlighters. I would like to get down at least 2 because they are hard to work with. As long, like, going through what I mean. They're easy to work with, they're fun to wear, but they're hard to get through. So my goal is to have at least 2 out of the 15. I have 7 single blushes. I would like to get down at least 1 blush because again, they're powder and they are hard to get through. I currently have 3 single bronzers. I would like to get at least 0 because I have face palettes, so I wouldn't want any of the single bronzers. I currently have 11 face palettes. I have the Wet n Wild, Laura Geller, and 2 Tarte, as well as what is showing here. And they are all pretty good. I would like to get down at least 2 is my goal. I have 3 open eye primers. I would like to get down like around 1 because this one is lasting forever in my project pan. So this will be good. I will definitely repurchase this once it's gone because it lasts a long time. So I would try to get down to 1 and repurchase this. 26 brand new lippies. I got lip balms, lip glosses, or well, I do have like kind of a lip gloss type products. But yeah, that is a lot. I would like to get down to at least 2 of like a lip balm and 5 lippies. I have 8 brand new primers. So my goal is to have 2 primers. Like, I want my foundation to be 2. I have 1 brand new foundation. 3 brand new brow products. 3 brand new translucent powders. Here are some random ones. I got one unopened, brand new It's concealer. I got an eyeshadow primer, eyeshadow, and 2 sugar lips to make your lips soft. So yeah. And I have 5 brand new mascaras, never been opened. Here's some products I forgot to show you. Is this the Creme Shop? Still not open. I don't know what this is. It's like a perfector in yellow. Foundation by Stila, eyeshadow primer, more blush, and $1 Billion Brow for brows. Brow pot.